Good afternoon, ma'am. This is K. Narasimha from third year CSC C section. Today, I would like to present about the firewall characteristics and access policy. The introduction of the firewall. A firewall is the network security system designed to monitor and control incoming to outgoing network traffic based on predefined security rules. It acts as a protective barrier between trusted internal networks and untrusted external networks such as the internet. Firewall plays the crucial role in safeguarding computer systems and network from the unauthorized access, cyber attacks, and data branches. They examine data packets and decide what to allow or block them according to the configured access policies. In modern networking, firewalls are not only used for basic traffic filtering but also provide advanced features such as intrusion detection, deep package inspection, and application level control. This is how the firewall will work. Need of firewalls. A firewall is essential for maintaining the security integrity of a computer network. The main need of firewalls are prevent unauthorized access, block hackers and unauthorized users from accessing internal system and data, protects against cyber attacks, defends the network from the threats such as malware, virus, and hacking attempts, ensure data security, safeguards sensitivity information for leakage or theft, monitor network trafficking, keep tracking the incoming and outgoing traffic to detect suspicious activities. Firewall characteristics. Firewall characteristics define how a firewall protects and manages network security. It uses various techniques to monitor, filter, and control traffic between networks. Packet filtering. Examine packet based on IP address, ports, and protocol. Stateful inspection. Track activity connections and make decisions based on the session state. Proxy services. Act as an intermediary to hide internal network details. Monitoring and logging. Record network activities and analyze the security checks. Rule-based control. Apply predefined rules to allow or block traffic. Introduction to access policy. An access policy is a set of rules defined in a firewall that determines which network traffic is allowed and which is denied. It plays a crucial role in controlling communication between user devices and the networks. Access policies are created based on factors such as IP addresses, protocols, ports, and user time conditions. By applying these rules, the firewall ensures that only authorized traffic can pass through while blocking unauthorized or harmful activities. Thus, access policy is an essential part of network security, helping to protect systems, control data flow, and maintain the network security environment. Types of access policies. Access policies define how a firewall controls networks traffic by allowing or denying access based on specific conditions. Allow policy permits specific traffic to pass through the firewalls. Deny policy block unwanted or unauthorized traffic. Rule-based access control grant access based on user's role. Time-based access allow or restrict access during specific time periods. IP-based access control traffic based on IP address. Port-based access allow or block traffic based on port numbers. Policy rule example. The policy rule are specific instructions in a firewall that define which types of traffic such should be allowed or blocked based on the conditions like port, IP address, and services. Allow HTTP request, permit web traffic on port number 80. Allow HTTPS Traffic permits secure web traffic on port 443. Block Telenet denies traffic on port 23 due to se- security risks. Allow internal works. Permit communication within the organization. Block unknown IPs. Prevents access from untrusted sources. Restrict admin access. Allow admin access only to specific users or IPs. The access control policies in a firewall refers to the way network traffic is evaluated and managed based on predefined security rules. When data enters or leaves a network, the firewall first identifies the traffic and examines its details such as source, destination, and protocol. Then it compares the information with the configured access policies. Based on these rules, firewall decides whether the traffic should be allowed or denied. After applying the decision, the activities is recorded through the logging and monitoring for future analysis. This process ensures that only another authorized and safe trafficking is permitted, maintaining and network securities. Importance of access policies. Access policy is important because it controls how network resources are used and protected. It ensures that only unauthorized users and data can access the network which blocking unauthorized or harmful traffic. By defining clear rules, access policies help prevent security breaches, protect sensitivity information, and maintain the integrity of the system. They enable proper monitoring and control of data flow within the monitor. Overall access policies play a key role in strengthening network securities and ensuring safe communication. Advantages of firewalls. Protection from unauthorized access prevents cyber attacks, monitor network trafficking, enhance privacy, improve network performance, support secure remote access. Conclusion. Firewalls are the vital component for network security, acting as a protective barrier between trusted and untrusted networks. Their characteristics enable effective monitoring and filtering of traffic, while access policies ensure that only authorized communication is allowed. Thank you.